Righto guys, you're probably thinking, what the fuck? What the fuck is, I've got fucking great mates that didn't want me to miss out on a ride after driving 8 hours. Now to be clear, I didn't just come for this ride, but it was definitely the highlight of the week I've spent in Tamworth, so very appreciative of my friends. It wasn't just one bloke offering me a bike, it was I think everyone really, so Tim's got a little bit of work to do now, courtesy of that bike shit himself, so yeah, I'm on his, I think it's a 23 Sherco. I've got to say, don't tell him, but I like this one a little bit better. As you can probably tell, if you haven't ridden new ones, yeah, I'm on the corner. I would absolutely recommend the 23 Sherco. It's brilliant. Rides very similar to a Husky, which isn't immediately obvious being that it's carby, but got great suspension and yeah, gas! There goes Tim, heading back to town with the broken 2014. Boston, it's your bike, I know. I'm sorry. I'd like to think that I didn't have a real lot to do with it. There was something already wrong there. But on the flip side, I'd love it if it was me. And I'm that good a rider that I broke your bike, because I was so hardcore, and after everything that you kids and your dad have done to it, it was me that did it, but something tells me that's not the case, so. Yeah, I don't know what it is about this Sherco, I just feel real comfortable on the new one, more so than the 14. Fairly dusty. Inland Australia will be like that. Not riding on the coast anymore where you get 30 mils just in an afternoon shower. Down here 15 mils will have people talking about it for weeks. Oh, about a bust up. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I think it would go back to the car, eh?
Sorry, guys.
Next time.
Sorry, lads.
Don't be sorry, mate. Fuck, we've all been there.
It was that rock that stopped you. I was like, you gotta slow off a bit. That rock stopped me, yeah.
Righto, well. It's been a bit of an interesting ride. I can't say that my mind goes to a CRF 450R with a bald back tyre when I think about great combinations for riding enduro, especially faster enduro. I mean, I think a rear tyre, pretty basic requirement, but there's also only one way to find out when you're pushing your luck, and that's when you run out. So I think we've learned that lesson today. Alright, now I think my chance of chopping anyone on here is pretty slim, because everyone is a better rider than me on this ride, but let's see what we can do. Because the one advantage I've got is that no one else knows it's a race. fucking love that one. Righto, Tim. I haven't completely disappointed you. I chopped one. Kato. Absolutely nowhere near what I'd start for this. Let's see if I can bring it back. So far so good. Little paddle. Woo! Fucking hell. Didn't start well. I was keen to get on the highlight reel. Up on the pegs, boys. Up on the pegs. Yeah. That's where the real men ride. On the pegs. Balls of your feet. Now the GoPro battery ran out, and that's where I discovered a rock had once again smashed the lens on my GoPro. I didn't have a replacement with me, but despite the setback, the ride turned out to be quite an adventure. Covering an impressive 107 kilometres, it was an exhilarating day on the bikes, with an awesome bunch of guys that eventually concluded at the pub. Now I know what you're probably wondering. What happened to the Sherco from the first video, the one I blew up? Well, about a week after I got back to Queensland, Tim sent me this update.
Rebuild after Benny's blown head gasket. Will it start?
And there you have it, the saga continues. If you've enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all of the latest adventures, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell. Your support helps me ride more, which means I can make more videos for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Until then, ride safe.